Yeah, hi, I'm Graham Brown. I work with a company called NuFlora, and this company breeds ornamental plants. And one of our favourite plants at the moment that we're trying to develop and improve is Mandevilla. These are normally plants which vine quite a bit. You can see the vining, and the main colours are in the reds, whites and pinks. So far, that's the extent of the colour range. And one of the reasons these plants we think are really good for now and for the future consumers is that although they look very tropical and attractive, they're also quite drought tolerant. So they have a root system which actually holds water they have roots like carrots almost. So when you go away on holidays for a few weeks, they'll still survive and look healthy when you get home because they have this water storage capability. And as you can see, like I mentioned before, they're quite vining. And another thing that we're trying to do is to make them better for consumers and better for growers, and try to breed them more compact like this, but still maintain attractive flowers. So these plants always need support, some kind of thing to grow on, but the new type that we're breeding are much more compact and can be grown without having them on a trellis. The other thing that we're doing is trying to introduce new colours into Mandevilla. And this is a species of Mandevilla with a yellow flower, but it has some problems. The leaves are very thin and prone to disease. The flowers are smallish and what we call reflexed, so they're not wide open flowers like this. But the colour is an exciting colour to be able to add to the garden. So these little tags represent hybrids where we've been crossing other Mandevillas with bigger flowers to this plant. And then after a while we develop pods on the plants, and then we harvest the seeds and then grow new seedlings. So this is the way that in NuFlora we develop new plants. And this is painstaking work, and it can take years and years, but that's the nature of plant breeding. It's a long-term project. In my work at the university, we also got involved in breeding cucumbers with a company called Abundant Natural Health, and we quickly realised that we could also use those products in natural health products because cucumber has a soothing effect on the skin. And one of those products I also use to take away pain in my elbow at night. I often get a repetitive strain injury in the past I got, and sometimes when I'm working with the plants I get a sore elbow, but I just squirt this onto my elbow like so, rub it in, and then within about 10 minutes or so the pain starts to go away. And the good thing is we're not relying here on artificial drugs. This is all natural products that help doing this. One of the main things that's doing the good work of taking away the pain is magnesium, but the cucumber juice that also goes in the product also helps in getting that magnesium through the skin. So that's a magnesium lotion from Abundant Natural Health.